is my screen. So what will I use now is screen, glass with OCA and this infrared mold. This is the prototype we will release. Actually, honestly, I was not thinking to release this mold yet. But some customer is pushing me, hey, we need this. So that's why I release it now. Actually, we are going to release this new mold in the MWCA show in Los Angeles this year, September 12th. I will be there. So I will use this prototype to do the lamination now. So we put the screen in this mold. It fits perfect. You guys can see when I clean the screen, we don't have any dust, fall down, because we have the dust blower on the top. Those are the scratch from the regular screen, so we cannot remove it. It's scratched on the polymer film. But don't worry, because after we put the glass on the screen, this one you will not see it. Okay, here we go. Is you have to install the glass on the machine. Wow. Beautiful. Just a little bit of bubbles, but trust me, this is not a rubber. We can remove it very easy. Okay, here we go. We go to laminate, we go to bubble removing. Want to do it better result, you can use this lab for the screen. Here we go. Don't worry about the wave, okay? Don't worry about the wave, because the wave after like 1-2 days the wave will go. We already tasted it. It's no problem. So let's taste. It's really good. No bubbles. Perfect.